Okay, so I'm going to show you, to excuse the dustiness, this is just a test that sits around, but I'm going to show you guys how to mount the arm to just the straight to the base on a propack. Obviously the rod holder mounts, those are all pretty self-explanatory, but for guys that want to know how to drill the hole and mount it to the base, this will show an example of that. We'll set this up here. You'll have to excuse the cat, it likes to talk a lot. So I just like to use step bits, but you'll drill a 1/4 inch hole for this screw to come through. Pick your location. You can put it out on the edge or you can put it under here. Some guys use a storage box, might not like to put it under the head unit. That's kind of where I like to have it. So you'll drill your hole, go to a 1/4 inch, take out your bolt. I like to supply these just so that you can feed it from underneath and it'll kind of rest in there and sit a little more flush. If you go with a regular hex head, it doesn't quite get as flush. Slide that up through there, put your spacer on, put your nut on, tighten that up. I need a screwdriver for the bottom. Don't want to get it too tight because you want to be able to still rotate it. But it's as simple as that, and your arm is mounted, and you are ready to go.